Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Good afternoon. Happy New Year, everybody. This is our first video in 2025. So, in Bulgari Kitchen, I'm going to make a very simple fried fish. So, keep watching Bulgari Kitchen. Do subscribe Bulgari Kitchen. Don't forget to give your beautiful comments to improve our channel. So, keep watching Bulgari Kitchen for the beautiful fried fish. So viewers, let me take you to Bulgari Kitchen where I prepare all the ingredients for fried fish. Let me show you all the ingredients. Milk fish, you can use sole fish, hamor fish, any kind of fish. I prefer without bones because I don't like the bones. Chopped coriander, water, chaat masala, turmeric powder, flour number 1, corn flour, coriander powder, chili flakes, chili powder, black pepper powder, ginger, garlic, salt, garlic powder, ajwain. I have already keep some frying oil to make it hot for fry the fish. So keep watching the rest of recipe. So viewers, first of all we are going to make a batter for our fish. Here I'm going to add almost 1 cup of flour and corn flour mix, pinch of salt, black pepper, some turmeric powder I'm going to add in my batter. Mix all the ingredients so it's mixed all. I'm going to use chilled water. I always use chilled water for any batter. So keep stirring. Mix nicely. If you want to add some vinegar, you can add vinegar optionally. It will also looks fluffy, give fluffy taste in your batter. Look at our batter like this, so it will be more good. So our batter is ready. To marinate our fish, ajwain, garlic powder, chili powder, salt, coriander, black pepper. This is chaat masala, little bit of turmeric, ginger, garlic, some chili flakes. Mix all together. Squeeze some lemon on your fish, not too much. It's kill the smell of the fish. And then marinate this one with our masalas. This way. Make sure your fish is dry. I make already dry with kitchen towel. So keep this marination for another 10 to 15 minutes. Put some flour on your plate like this way. Then I'm going to dip fish in our batter in this way like this. So make sure then you remove all the rest butter in this way, and then put on the flour other side. Same, all the fish in the butter, and then you see nicely coated. See, remove all the rest. Then same way, dust nicely. So it's nicely coated. Now I'm going to fry. Our oil is almost hot, so remove this, and then look at this, oil is very hot. Make sure your oil is hot, then you can reduce the flame and keep frying for 7 to 8 minutes. So now it's going to turn other side. Look at this, crispy. turn it to other side.
Oh,
So keep another 4 minutes for another side. It will take almost 8 minutes. So almost our fish is ready. I'm going to remove to stain the oil. Look at this crispy, crispy, crunchy, crunchy fish. So let's start our plating. Let me cut some fish. Look at this, how uh, inside like this. So we can arrange the fish. Look at this inside. Add some garnish on it. So viewers, look at our crunchy, crispy, very crispy fried fish is ready. We are going to serve with chili sauce. I'm going to show you next time how to make this chili sauce. Keep watching Balagari Kitchen for the sauce. Let's taste some. Dip in chili. Mmm, crunchy, crispy, and inside, look at delicious fish, mild spicy. Mmm. So keep watching Bulgari Kitchen for next coming videos. Do subscribe Bulgari Kitchen, share to friends and family, and don't forget to give your beautiful, lovely comments. Thank you very much for watching Bulgari Kitchen. Have a great day.